If you are debating to start a diet or not, let me help you and offer you another option. Hi, I'm Claudia Myron, a holistic nutritionist helping women in midlife balance their hormones, fire up their metabolism, and achieve effective weight loss without restricting diet. If you've been debating whether or not to start a diet, let me offer you another option. Instead of chasing short-term fixes or trying to follow rigid rules, let's talk about simple, sustainable habits that will help you feel and look your best long-term. You don't need to suffer through constant restriction to get the results you want. Today, I'm going to share my top tips for making lasting lifestyle changes that don't require counting every calories or following restrictive food rules. If you are ready to feel energized, confident, and in control of your health, stay tuned because these tips are designed to make it easier than you think. By the way, stay with me till the end because I've got something exciting to share that could make a huge difference in your health journey. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, embrace the journey. Changes doesn't happen overnight, and that's okay. Your health is a journey, not a destination. If we constantly expect instant results, we set ourselves up for frustration and disappointment. So instead of thinking of this as a diet, think of it as a lifelong investment in your well-being. You have to shift the mindset. So if you find yourself stuck in all or nothing mentality, switching to always something will help. A small step forward is still progress and it counts. You don't have to overhaul everything at once. Start with one habit at a time. Begin with something simple like adding a protein source to your breakfast or drinking more water throughout the day. Celebrate every win, wherever it's choosing a healthier snack or drinking an extra glass of water. Every positive decision you make is one step closer to your goal. Process is built over time, so small consistent action leads to lasting change. Tip number 2, personalize your place. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to healthy eating, especially when it comes to midlife. Everyone's lifestyle, schedule, and food preference are different, and there is something we need to embrace. Listen to your body. Do you feel better with 3 structured meals or with smaller meals throughout the day? Customize your eating routine to fit your needs. And then focus on real whole foods. Build your meals around veggies, lean proteins, fiber-rich carbs, and healthy fat. Your plate should be colorful and satisfying. And start small. Not sure where to start? Try swapping one meal a day to be a whole food-based one. For example, swap your typical breakfast for Greek yogurt topped with berries and nuts instead of grabbing a processed granola bar. When you eat food nutrient-dense and satisfying, you won't feel the need to count every calorie. Tip number 3, cook more often. One of the most empowering changes you can make is cooking more at home. You don't have to be a chef to create delicious and healthy meals. Just keep it simple. Like start with easy meal first. So stir fry, sheet pan dinners, and batch cook soups are all great options. They don't require a ton of time to prepare, but are packed with nutrients. The second thing is meal planning. Taking a few minutes to plan your meals can save you time and stress throughout the week. No more scrambling for something to eat last minute. And batch cooking, it's also a game changer. If you are short on time, cook once and eat twice. Prepare double portion of meals so you have leftovers ready to go. Cooking at home also allows you to control exactly what goes into your food. So it is easier to stay on track with your goals. Tip number 4, focus on quality over quantities. Like instead of obsessing over calorie counting, focus on quality of food you are eating. So nutrient-dense foods will keep you fuller for longer and help you make better choices. Like prioritize proteins, fiber, and healthy fat. These are your secret weapons to feeling satisfied and energized. For example, add some avocado to your salad. Pair your meal with a protein source and load up on fiber-rich veggies. The idea is to nourish your body. If you're constantly feeling hungry, your body might be lacking essential nutrients. So try adding, as I said, more proteins and fiber to your meal, which will stabilize your blood sugar and cravings. And don't eliminate food. So add more of the good stuff instead of cutting carbs, focusing on choosing high quality carbs like sweet potatoes, quinoa, and fruits. Food is meant to fuel and nourish you. Focus on filling your plate with whole foods rather than fixating on numbers or what to take out from your diet. Tip number 5, eat with the season. Eating seasonally is not only a great way to get the best tasting produce, but it's also aligning your diet with what your body needs at different times. In colder months, for example, reach for root vegetables, citrus fruit, and hearty soups that provide warmth and comfort. During the summer, load up on hydrating food like watermelon, cucumber, and fresh herb to keep you feeling light and refreshed. Seasonal eating can inspire new meals as well. As the season change, try experiment new ingredients that you wouldn't typically use, like for example butternut squash in the fall or berries in the summer. Seasonal fruits are fresh, more affordable, and packed with nutrients your body craves. If these tips are resonating with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more expert advice on hormone health, metabolism, and sustainable weight loss. Like tip number 6, stock your pantry and freezer. A well-stocked kitchen is essential for making healthy choices easy. Having the right ingredients on hand means you are less likely to reach out for unhealthy options. For example, keep staples handy. Canned beans, frozen vegetables, whole grains, and healthy protein like chicken or fish are great pantry staples. Quick meal ideas. Frozen shrimp tossed with stir-fry veggie or a can of chickpeas mixed into a salad can turn into a quick nutrition meal. Plan for convenience. Having go-to ingredients prevents that there is nothing to eat dilemma that often leads to unhealthy choices. With a stock kitchen, you will always have healthy options available, even on your busiest day. Tip number 7. Learn to read labels. Now, grocery shopping can feel overwhelming, but it's easier than you think to make healthy choices when you learn to read labels. Like fewer ingredients is better. Like aim for products with 5 ingredients or fewer and make sure you can pronounce them all. Avoid hidden sugar and preservatives. So look for food without added sugar, preservative, or additional additives. These normally interfere with your hormones and cause craving. Shop the perimeter of the store too. Stick with the outside aisle of your grocery stores where fresh fruit, fresh produce, meat, and dairy typically stock. Reading labels can help you make smarter choices and prevent unnecessary additives from sneaking into your diet. Tip number 8. Avoid highly processed food. Ultra-processed food are often addictive, making it harder to control your craving. They are designed to taste so good that you cannot stop after just one bite. So the idea is to swap processed for whole food. So start by replacing one processed food at a time with whole food alternative. Instead of chips, try roasted chickpeas or air popcorn with olive oil and sea salt. If you love sweet sugary snack, replace them with natural sweet options like fresh fruit paired with a spoonful of nut butter. Small swap can make a big difference when it comes to overall health. Tip number 9. Listen to your hunger cues. One of the best ways to stop overeating and stay in tune with your body is by reconnecting with your natural hunger signals. Before you eat, ask yourself, am I truly hungry or am I just bored, stressed, or emotional? This pause can help you determine whether you are eating out of habit or because your body truly needs food. Try the apple test. Would you eat an apple right now? So ask yourself. If yes, you are probably hungry. If not, it might be cravings or emotional eating. So mindful eating. Eat when you are hungry and stop when you are satisfied. It's that easy. So don't force yourself to clean your plate if your body is telling it has enough. Okay, so trust your body and it will guide you towards healthy habits. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these tips do you think you could start working on today? Drop a comment below and let me know. I love reading your thoughts and seeing how you are getting started on your journey. Finally, the last tip. Tip number 10. Find your reason. Connect to your why. So motivation can come and go, but having a clear reason for your healthy habits will keep you grounded and focused. What's your reason for making these changes? Whatever it's to have more energy, feel more confident, lose weight, or support your long-term health, knowing your why will help you push through challenges. Write it down. Keep your reason or your why visible. Put it on your fridge, on your bathroom mirror, or set it on your phone wallpaper. When you feel discouraged, revisit your reason to reignite your motivation. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress and aligning with your deeper goal. If these tips are resonating with you, I have something special that can help you get started on your weight loss journey. Grab my free 3 days weight loss quick start ebook, where I share actionable strategies, meal ideas, and simple lifestyle changes to help you build sustainable habits without the stress of diet. This ebook is perfect if you are looking for a practical, easy to follow guide that works with your lifestyle and help you take the first step towards feeling stronger, leaner, and more confident. Remember, healthy eating isn't just about the food you eat. It's about nourishing your body, honoring your needs, and embracing the process of becoming the best version of yourself. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it can be consistent, joyful, and sustainable. Stay focused on your goal and you'll get there one step at a time. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.